my channel. My name is Val. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Me llamo Val. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, if you're a new subscriber, hi guys, hello. I make beauty videos, faith videos, and lifestyle videos, and I hope you guys enjoy my content. If you do, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out whenever I post. In today's video, we're going to do the foxy eye trend look thing that is going around, and I think it's such a beautiful look, and it is very easy to recreate. So this is why I'm coming to you guys to show you how to do it as well. So without talking so much, let's just get on with the video. Alright guys, so now that we are close up, hello, now we're going to start. As you guys can tell, I have my base makeup already done and my eyebrows already done. To make this tutorial as easy as possible, I've limited the products and the brushes and the tools that we're going to be using. So we're only going to be using 2 brushes and 1 palette. It does not have to be this one, but I'm using the Warrior by Juvia's, and it just has a lot of really awesome colors that we can use for this tutorial. So it has dark brown, matte, it has shimmers, but we're only going to be using 2 here, which is this brown shade and then this dark brown shade. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. I always used to think it was really easy to do makeup tutorials online and all that stuff, but actually guys, it's kind of hard because the viewfinder, and you're tempted to look at that as your mirror, and it's just not that easy. But I'm gonna do my best. I'm just gonna look at my mirror here on the side and explain to you guys what's going on this eye, because it's just easier for the lighting and all that stuff. So I'm gonna be taking that brown shade that we had mentioned, and I'm just going to start putting it right here. So kind of like a wing effect. So you're just gonna do it right here and on your lash line. And you're just gonna start building up that color, bringing it closer to your inner corner and fanning it out. All right guys, so as you can tell that I've already kind of built up the color a little bit and just drag it up. The goal of this look is to drag up, to make it look as possible. Then with the dark brown shade, you're going to get the thinner angled brush right here, and you're gonna start kind of like lining as if you were doing a wing. You're gonna start doing it very messily because honestly, like, this looks a little ratchet. So we're just going to bring it up as much as we can. Then we're gonna take that same brush that we used the brown for, and we're gonna blend this out. Already creating a smoky effect in the eye. So when we're doing that, we're just going to add a little bit of that dark brown on the fluffy brush, and we're just going to blend pretty much where we put the brown as well, but very lightly. I'm gonna take the edge of my beauty blender and just going to, like that. So you see how that cleans it up really nicely? We're just gonna do that. Perfect. Alright guys, so now that the eyeshadow already did most of the lifting, I did the other eye as well. It just kind of lifts your eyes a little bit, and now we're going to apply mascara, and I apply it in a way where it just kind of elongates my outer corner lashes more than anything else. As you guys can tell with my mascara, I'm really digging in to the outer eyelashes. I'm making sure that they get the most coats so they look the most dramatic. Alright guys, so now that you have finished your mascara, the point is to literally just make the outer parts of your eyes just look more dramatic and more lifted. And I feel like putting more product there and lifting it upwards is going to achieve that effect. So a lot of people have been posing to accentuate the foxy eye appearance. So what they've been doing is just grabbing the end of their eyebrows with their hands and just kind of like pulling it upwards like this. And just kind of like obviously finding your best angle and posing this way and all that fun stuff. Alright, with all that being said, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that it helped you in a very easy way. Try not to overcomplicate a lot of things, because I feel like that's the best way that I can learn, and that's the way that I can show you guys just kind of like an everyday thing, like, hey, like not everybody has 30 an hour to do their makeup, and this is the easiest way that I found to do this makeup look that has been trending. So thank you guys so much for watching my video, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias, which are going to be right here on the screen. And if you want to see something from my channel, go ahead and leave it a request down below, or DM me, or yeah. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.